Do you have phone, Wi-Fi, and 2 hours a day? Hey, by the way, this is Alan Mantaring. I'm a chef by profession and teaching people how to make money online. So this video is for you. Okay? If you are working right now and your income is not enough, right, to give you freedom for your family, then this is the good news for you. I have a step-by-step blueprint in which you are able to earn online by reselling a digital product. Yes, you don't need to create your own product. It's already created for you. The system is already created for you. All you need to do is just plug on the system and join in our community. Our community composed of almost 56,000 people. People that are motivated to change their life and their family lives. So if you want to learn more about this blueprint, all you need to do is just comment blueprint and I will send you the exact free video. See you, bye-bye. Let's go.